Thinking about getting an FPV drone but not sure which one is actually worth it? In this video, we're counting down 8 great FPV drones for every budget and skill level. Check the links in the description, and let's get started. Starting off this list at number 8, we have the XT606 Max, a drone that feels surprisingly complete for beginners who want that FPV-style flying experience without jumping straight into expensive gear. One of the first things that stands out is the built-in screen on the controller, which makes the whole setup much easier since you don't need to connect your phone every time you want to fly. It also comes with 3 batteries, and honestly, that makes a huge difference because you can spend more time practicing instead of waiting around for recharges. The foldable design is nice if you plan to travel with it, and the brushless motors help keep flights smoother and quieter compared to cheaper toy drones. It's clearly aimed at casual users, beginners, or even someone buying their first camera drone for weekend trips and outdoor fun. It may not satisfy hardcore FPV racers, but for the price, it offers a really easy and enjoyable way to get started. If you're enjoying the video, subscribe. We post similar content every day. Coming in at number 7. The Ruco U11 Mini is one of those drones that makes flying feel less intimidating right from the start. It's lightweight, compact, and designed for people who want smooth aerial footage without dealing with a complicated learning curve. The 4K camera delivers surprisingly clean video for casual travel clips, family outings, or social media content, and the long transmission range gives you more freedom to explore open areas without constantly worrying about losing signal. One thing that really helps beginners is how stable this drone feels in the air, especially when hovering or recording slower cinematic shots. The different flight modes also make it easier to gradually build confidence instead of throwing you into full manual control immediately. It's probably not the choice for aggressive FPV racing, but if you want a reliable and easy-to-use drone for everyday flying and relaxed filming, this one does a really solid job for the price. At number 6, we've got the CADX FPV kit, and this one feels much closer to a real FPV experience compared to the more casual camera drones on this list. What makes it interesting is that it comes as a complete package with the goggles, controller, and drone already matched together, which removes a lot of the confusion that usually scares people away from FPV flying. The compact ducted design also makes it safer for indoor practice or flying around tighter spaces without feeling too intimidating. Once you put the goggles on, the experience becomes way more immersive and fast-paced, especially for beginners wanting that true first-person perspective. It's lightweight, responsive, and honestly just fun to fly around parks, backyards, or small freestyle areas. Battery life is still fairly limited like most FPV drones in this category, but as an entry point into the FPV hobby, it offers a much more authentic experience than typical beginner drones. Remember that all the links are in the description. You can compare prices and read customer reviews. Halfway through the list, the Audaire HK11 is a really appealing option for people who want something simple, portable, and fun without spending a fortune. This drone focuses more on convenience and ease of use, and honestly, that's what makes it attractive for casual flyers. The foldable design makes it easy to throw into a backpack for vacations, hikes, or weekend trips, while the brushless motors help keep the flight smoother and more stable outdoors. It also includes 2 batteries, which is a nice bonus because shorter flight times are usually one of the biggest frustrations with budget drones. Features like waypoint flying and altitude hold make it easier to capture decent-looking footage, even if you've never flown before. The camera won't compete with premium cinematic drones, but for social media clips, learning the basics, and enjoying relaxed flights with friends or family, it delivers a surprisingly enjoyable experience at this price point. Taking the number 4 spot, the Contixo F23 Helio feels like a drone made for people who care more about the overall flying experience than just raw speed. One of the nicest things here is the controller with the built-in display because it keeps everything simple and avoids the usual hassle of phone notifications interrupting your flight. The drone itself is lightweight and foldable, so it's easy to carry around for road trips, beach days, or outdoor adventures where you just want to launch quickly and capture the moment. Features like waypoint navigation and gesture controls make it approachable for beginners, but there's still enough responsiveness to keep things entertaining once you get more comfortable flying. The included carrying case also gives it a more complete feel right out of the box. It's not trying to be a hardcore FPV freestyle drone, but for casual aerial filming and easy weekend flying. It offers a really balanced package that most beginners will appreciate. In the next spot, we have a drone that's clearly designed for people who want something affordable but still modern enough to feel exciting the first time they take it outside. The Bingri foldable drone keeps things simple, and that's honestly part of its appeal. Setup is quick, the controls are beginner-friendly, and features like altitude hold and waypoint flying help make the experience less stressful for first-time users. The brushless motors also give it a smoother feel in the air, especially during slower camera movements or light outdoor flights. It folds down small enough to fit easily into the included carrying case, so it works well for vacations, camping trips, or casual weekend flying at the park. You're obviously not getting professional cinematic footage here, but for someone wanting a fun drone to learn with and capture decent aerial clips without overspending, this one offers a really approachable balance between price, portability, and everyday usability. At this point in the ranking, we're getting into drones that are simply fun to fly right out of the box, and this aviation-style foldable drone definitely fits that category. The design looks more aggressive and sporty than most beginner models, which gives it a slightly more FPV-inspired feel, even if it's still aimed at casual users. It's extremely beginner-friendly, thanks to features like altitude hold, headless mode, and one-key controls that make flying feel a lot less overwhelming during your first few sessions. The dual batteries are also a big advantage because you get longer practice time without constantly stopping to recharge. It folds down compactly, comes with its own carrying case, and feels like something you can easily bring along on vacations or quick outdoor trips. The camera quality is decent for everyday videos and social media clips, but the real strength here is how approachable and entertaining the whole flying experience feels for someone just getting into drones. Now moving into one of the more polished options on this list, the Potensic Atom stands out because it feels much closer to a premium drone experience without entering the really expensive price range. Right away, you notice how compact and lightweight it is, which makes it incredibly convenient for travel, hiking, or just carrying around without needing a huge backpack. The stabilized camera does a noticeably better job during movement, so your footage looks smoother and more cinematic instead of shaky and amateur. It's also surprisingly beginner-friendly, thanks to reliable hovering and responsive controls that help build confidence quickly. What really makes this drone appealing is the balance it strikes between portability, image quality, and ease of use. It works great for people creating travel content, outdoor videos, or simply wanting cleaner-looking aerial shots without dealing with a complicated setup. For casual creators and first-time drone owners, this one feels refined, dependable, and genuinely enjoyable to use regularly.